Okay. I'm with Boitshoko from Spoor Fisher. You guys were actually quite generous enough to, sponsor this event, or rather give participants pins. So thank you to your director for that. Just wanted to find out how did it come about that you came today, and what was your take on the whole experience?
Okay, I'll first begin off by introducing myself. I'm a candidate attorney at Spoor Fisher. I came about this event through a principal of mine. She requested that I come here so that I can have an understanding of what happens in the court, because I haven't been in the court. I still have to pursue an LLB, so I needed to have a mental background of what it entails to be a law practitioner.
Okay, and you were saying that you're still going to get your LLB. Could you just explain that? Because you're doing your candidate attorney, you're doing your articles right now. So how is it that you're doing your articles before your LLB? And yeah.
Okay. I have a MSc in chemistry, which gives me a technical background as part of being as part of pursuing a position as a patent attorney. So in order to be a patent attorney, you need a technical degree as well as an LLB. So I've got one, which is a technical degree. So I still need to pursue an LLB. So the Attorneys Act gives an allowance for someone like me to pursue articles of clerkship for 3 years if you don't have an LLB, where in the case where you have an LLB, you can pursue your articles for 2 years.
Oh, nice. So what was your take on the whole experience here? What did you learn, or what did you take from just the arguments and everything else that you witnessed?
Oh, well, it was quite impressive from both the applicant and the respondent counsel, and to see that the justices didn't give them leeway. They actually wanted them to defend their stand. It's quite important to come to court prepared. You cannot just walk up in court expecting to read through your head notes. So you should be prepared mentally, as well as be able to learn and listen and respond to what the other party has to say. So once you state your case, you cannot just lay back, but you have to actually interact and participate in the whole procedure.
So how do you think today has impacted you in you pursuing your LLB and just being in the legal fraternity?
I'm more aware of what is ahead of me now. I'm actually quite excited from what I've seen here. It has left a quite impression on me by the fact that we as or those who aspire to be lawyers have a great role to play in the community for protection of the rights of our people. Yeah.
And then what Spoor Fisher, what area of the law are you based in? What do you practice, and what do you focus mostly on?
Okay, Spoor Fisher is an IP law, intellectual property law firm. It focuses on trademarks, copyright, and patents, as well as counterfeiting as a sideline of the entire IP law firm. Our focus is mostly for the protection of IP, which is all of that I've mentioned, copyright, trademarks, and patents. For our clients, we prosecute and help them enforce those intellectual properties.
Okay. So now we wish you all the best with your studies, and just in terms of what SABL is doing, it's obviously motivating a lot of law students and graduates just to be more involved in the experiences of being a part of the legal fraternity. What advice or just wisdom would you like to share to just those upcoming law students who are still going to come here and experience what you've experienced? So what words would you like to share with them?
I think as an aspiring lawyer or law practitioner, it's important to partake in whatever law opportunities or any opportunities that avail themselves, especially from having networked with some of their advocates here. I've come to realize that you need to at least go to the courts, I mean the motion court, to hear what the defense counsels have to say, what the other parties have to say, so that you will be able to understand how they are able to defend their motions, so that you can understand how an actual lawyer has methodology in how they process their information.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for being here today and for representing your firm. And thank you to Spoor Fisher for just the donations for the participants. So thank you so much. Thank you.